Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fan Cave. It's 2:23 a.m., 9/7/2017, Thursday. What I have today is a what appears to be an early 80s Hunter original. Brown with polished brass accents, faceplate, adapter brackets or reverse air brackets, isolation ring. And the one drawback about this fan is that the switch doesn't work. It's always on, so I had to hitch it up to a solid state control. So we'll start off on low. And I have it suspended from a J-hook, with nothing else besides the, rubber bushing. So, if the canopy could reach all the way up to the ceiling, then, it'd be a lot more secure. But it's just hanging on a J-hook, so on low it wobbles a little bit. Then when I kick it up to medium, has enough centrifugal force that it keeps it from, keeps it stationary, keeps it from wobbling around. Then I kick it up to high. Yeah, this switch does nothing. And now for the spin down. Didn't really have to add any oil. There was plenty of oil inside when I acquired it. I uninstalled it from a house today. It was installed in a bedroom in sort of a bizarre location, way off to one side. It must have been right over the bed. But luckily it had relatively low ceilings, so I was able to, I brought my ladder, but I was on like the second rung, so I was able to just, step down from there with it. But yeah, it's sort of a bizarre fan to have in a low ceiling in a bedroom, but I wasn't complaining. It's a beautiful fan. I, as of now, really have no intention on getting rid of it. But I love the aesthetics of it. It's beautiful. But I do want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Check out the videos I have of existing fans on my YouTube page called The Fan Cave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. And yeah, you might know me from some of the fan forums. My name's Mark Wilson. Feel free to send me a friend request. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.